Hi guys! Mukbang o pizza tayo today kasi batang 80s ako or batang 90s. Ang pizza lang na uso ng time ko ay Shakey's. Siyempre, big time na sa amin pag nakapag-Shakey's ka. So, of course, nag-crave ako today. So, ayan, punta ako sa Shakey's mag-isa. Nag-merienda lang ako. Akala ko lang merienda pero siyempre nag-take out din ako para sa pamilya ko. So, ayan, samahan niyo ako guys. Magma-manager's choice tayo. And, of course, yung favorite nating salad. And samahan niyo ako guys dahil magmumukbang ako mag-isa. I'm in Shakey's right now. Shakey's Makati Square. Bagong renovate, kaya ang ganda. Sis, nagugutom ako. Angel. Welcome back to my channel. This is Melody Valdovino Vlogs. I'm going to have a merienda. A solo merienda today. Samahan niyo ako guys. I'm going to have a short merienda here in Shakey's Makati Square. Samahan niyo ako guys. I'm in Shakey's right now. Shakey's Makati Square. Bagong renovate, kaya ang ganda. Ang purpose ko talaga is mag-vlog for today. Regardless of sobrang busog ko pa. So, I will order this bunch of lunch. Pero complete na rin siya, no? May soup, and then may salad, may chicken, may spaghetti, and then may pizza, and garlic bread. Actually, no, batang Shakey's tayo. Batang 90s, batang 80s. So, ito na yung kinalakihan natin ng pizza. Oh, they have burger as big as this one. Garlic bread. Always favorite garlic bread. Oh, the pizza. Since batang 80s. Sure. I remember pa, laging Shakey's original. Of course, lagi tayong may super card with Shakey's. Bawal akong copyright. And here's my soup. So, ayan guys, dumating na yung order ko. Ayan. Since ayoko, this is the promo, this super bunch of lunch. But ayoko ng pizza. So, I like this one. Spaghetti and butter. Ayan. I have salad also, guys. Ayan. Kain na. Yum, yum, yum. So, while eating, ayan. Kain tayo guys. So no makeup look tayo today because napadaan tayo dito sa Shakey's and I have my bunch of lunch and I have my soup and everything and salad. So kain tayo guys. Syempre Shakey's is more on pizza, but this time I like the nachos and of course I like the chicken. Of course, the spaghetti, I will try the spaghetti. So, this is mukbang. This is, merienda solo. Not solo. Walang kaibigan. Yum yum. So, maingay sila. May sigawan, guys. Hindi ako makapiright. So, may soup pa ako. Ano na yung pang pizza. Tuloy-tuloy lang tayo sa pagkain. Ito spaghetti, guys. Ang masarap din spaghetti nila. To eat the spaghetti and rice. Ay, chicken. Sabi ko Thai part eh. Yan, Thai. Chicken. Sabi ko Thai part eh, binigyan ako ng mukbang along. Hindi pala mukbang. Ito si ate. Binigay sa akin chicken breast. Ay, ayoko ng breast. Cover ako guys kasi cover more your mouth with eating. Pero kasi ano, yes, I'm eating merienda alone. Wala akong bilisan kasi guys. Tuloy ko ng part ng chicken eh. But nakakahinayang naman ang mahal pala nito. Kailangan ko lang kainin.
That's it. Thank you sa mga nandyan. And I have takeout pa. Sorry, mukha ko lang talaga nakikita niyo. Sobrang busog ako, guys. Ayan. Maraming salamat for supporting my channel, Meldy Baldovino Vlogs.
Inabati ko lang si Meldy Baldovino at syempre, subscribe na rin tayo kay Meldy Baldovino Vlogs para na matuwa siya na kayo'y nagsisubscribe sa kanya. Please do subscribe to Meldy Baldovino Vlogs. Kaya rani mga bate at ako, kahit ako, magsusubscribe ko dyan.